I'm David Gafford with the BBQ Lab, and today I want to tell you about the Renaissance Cooking Systems stainless undermount sink and faucet that we installed here in our outdoor kitchen. When we were laying out our dream kitchen, we knew that a sink and faucet were going to be part of the final build. We looked at multiple configurations of the sink setup, and we kept coming back to three things that were important to us. The first was the size of the sink. Could we wash cutting boards that we were going to be using to cut meat after it comes off the grill? Now, what about chafing dishes and full-size hotel pans? Now, we didn't want to lug those huge dishes back into the house if we could help it, and size really mattered. Now, the second thing was having the ability to have a sprayer nozzle that we could detach for large dishes. If you've ever tried to wash a large cutting board, you know how valuable a detachable sprayer can be to get the job done. Now, the last thing that we knew we wanted was a place to wash up so we didn't have to keep going in and out of the house to keep things clean. Now, it seems like I have everything from raw meat to barbecue sauce to grease on my hands when I'm cooking outside, and a central cleaning station was something that we really wanted. Now, we found the solution to all three variables in the RCS Sink and Faucet combo, so let's look at some of the details of this unit. This sink can be mounted over or under the countertop, and it even comes with the clips if undermounting is the way that you want to go. In the box, you'll find a cutout template for the overmount and undermount installations, so just select which one you're using and you can cut the perfect hole in your countertop. We poured our own concrete countertops for this build, so we used the template to fashion our own hole using high-density styrofoam to create a void as we poured this section of the counter. The sink is made of 18-gauge 304 stainless steel, and when you pick it up, you can tell. It's heavy. The rim and the bowl have a fine brush finish that helps to minimize scratches over years of use. The sink is fully undercoated to minimize condensation and noise during use. The faucet is finished in a chrome nickel, and it fits in well with the rest of the stainless steel here in the kitchen. The faucet also has a sprayer function built into the nozzle, and it's powerful. The sprayer aerates at right around 2 gallons per minute. Now, we use various pans on the grill from time to time, and burned on residue is really hard to get off, but this sprayer helps get things started. There's a pull-down feature as well to help you clean those larger dishes that won't quite fit under the nozzle. Now, in the box, you'll find a strainer for the bottom of the sink, and we find that quite helpful. We didn't install a garbage disposal in our outdoor sink, so we try to keep an eye on anything that shouldn't go down the drain. We rely on that strainer to make sure that we are always good to go. There's a lifetime warranty on the sink, so we don't worry about it, knowing that RCS is going to back us up in the unlikely event that something goes wrong. Now, if you'd like to see more videos on the appliances and accessories from Renaissance Cooking Systems that we use to bring our outdoor kitchen to life, check out the other videos on this channel. We put together a playlist so that you can make the best decisions for your future outdoor kitchen.